This is going to be an adventure. I have spent the last 15 minutes just playing with my camera, trying to get it set up so I can see myself. I am in Salida, Colorado right now. Like I said, it's 5:15. Trying to go up to Monarch Pass to take pictures of fall colors. So I'm trying to get that morning sunrise look and the fall colors. And it's raining, and it's only supposed to rain for an hour, which is pretty cool, I think. It's snowing outside. So it's been quite a morning. I went all the way up to Monarch Pass, and as I was going, it started to snow, and it's been really dark because of the cloud cover, and so I haven't been able to find anything. But as I've been making my way down the mountain, the sun has been coming up and the light has been coming out, and I think I finally got my shot. I went up to Monarch Pass and Salida, Colorado, took the family, got up early, tried to get that shot. I got that shot. After all of that I went through, the snow, the dark, all of those things, I did get the shot. But it wasn't what I was looking for because I wasn't thinking of the right trees. The part of Colorado that I went to had aspen trees, and aspen trees don't have all those colors that I was hoping to see. It was mostly golds and greens. So, you know, lesson learned with that. But when I was coming back, I got the family up, and you know, we went to breakfast and we had a nice time in Salida, and we went back to Monarch Pass because we were right there. It was only a 30-minute drive from Salida. So we went back up to Monarch Pass, and I had the kids do the Continental Divide thing. But while we were there, the clouds had broken, and there was a lot of fog on one side of the Continental Divide, and there was a lot of sunshine on the other, and there were low-hanging clouds, and it was just one of those beautiful scenes that, you know, you see out of famous pictures. And I couldn't wait to grab my camera and take some pictures. And unfortunately, in my haste and my desire to take pictures with my new X-T4, my new 16 to 80 zoom lens, you know, something I didn't have with my X100V, I just grabbed the camera and I put, you know, some stuff in auto, and I started taking pictures because I just couldn't believe what I was seeing. Unfortunately, just because I had an X100V for a year, just because I enjoyed using that camera and I went out all the time taking pictures with it, did not mean that I knew how to use this camera too. So this was a lesson, and actually that segues into what I think I want this channel to be, which is a journey. I want to learn as I go. I want to create things, but I know I don't know how, and the first step is a step, right? I can't do it unless I do it. And that, even though it broke my heart when I got home and saw the pictures with the 12,800 ISO setting and the noise, you know, some of it you can pass off as I meant to do that. It looks like a grainy old black and white. Some of it does. But the bigger point is, just because that happened didn't mean it was a loss. Because on Saturday night, I actually went with my wife out to Old Town Salida, and we walked around while we were waiting for a dinner reservation. And I had my X100V with me, and like I said, I've had that camera for a year. I'm very comfortable with it, and I was taking some photos, and I think I got some really great shots of downtown Salida and the people and what was going on that day. And so none of it was a loss. It's never a loss to get out there and to do it. This video is my first try, and I'm sure it will I'll look back and make fun of all kinds of things I'm doing wrong, from the sound to the light to my eyes. Am I looking at the lens enough? Am I looking away too much? I don't know. We'll find out. Everyone has to start somewhere, and I'd like to do more of these to talk about photography, talk about the journey I'm going through with making YouTube videos and photography. All of it is just because I want to create things. I don't have a business model in mind. I'm not trying to side hustle here. This is really because I would like to try these things. They are fun. I find great joy in photography. I'm finding this video to be a little more stressful, but we'll see how that goes. So again, thank you.